Hello guys, we're doing great and wish you nothing but the best. And welcome to TechFe channel, technology for everybody. Well, on this channel, we're going to be talking about technology, computers, and we have some tutorials for everybody, even for beginners. And also, if you are a Windows user, if you are a Linux user, if you are that into learning some new tips about computers, this channel is for you. And today we're going to be talking about top 5 websites which are so useful for you. So let's go ahead and let's see what we have. Sometimes you need the software, but you don't know how to install it. Sometimes you need the software, but you cannot buy it because that's not available in your country. Sometimes you need the software, but that's too complex to understand and you don't know how to use it. So in this situation, we have to find an alternative to our software. But how to do it? We have a website that is so useful for this. Alternative2.net. So as you can see, this is a website for finding an alternative to our software. For instance, we all know Photoshop is a software that we have to buy it actually. You need a license. But if you want a software that is alternative to Photoshop and that is free, you can find it here really fast. For instance, you can just search Adobe Photoshop here. And after that, you can see GIMP, I don't know, this software, and this software, and this software. They are all alternatives. And actually, if you want a free software, you just need to click on this, free. And you can see all free softwares. And sometimes you need some softwares in other operating systems. For instance, you want it for Android. You just need to click on this Android tablet and you can see some softwares actually for Android. Security is the most important thing when we are using the internet. But how to make our computer secure? The first solution for that is using an antivirus. But what about that if we can use 100 of them at the same time? So for that, we have to go to virustotal.com. On this website, we can upload that file we have doubt that is a virus or not. And also, we can give the link of that file to this site and we can see if this is a virus or not. For instance, I can search on Google test virus file. Okay. And also anti-malware test file. You can see we have some files. They are malwares. Okay, copy link address and we can paste it here. Okay, as you can see, we have 5 red antiviruses. It means this is a malware or a virus. And this is a test file and we know this is a malware. But as you can see, with a single antivirus, we cannot find that malware. And it's so important to use all of them at the same time. And if you have a file and you don't know this is a virus or not, and you want to install it your Windows or you want to use it, you can check it here really fast with a lot of antiviruses. You know, that's really boring when we are waiting for a specific message or specific email from someone, but we can find our inbox full of ads. That's not really fantastic. But who gave our email address to these people? I have to tell you, you gave it. Yes, you gave it. But how we can prevent these ads? Let's see. So to prevent these kinds of ads, we have to use temporary email address. We have to go to 10minuteemail.com, and you can see we have 10 minutes and a temporary email address and inbox. Actually, for example, when you want to sign up or join website, you can use this email, temporary email. For instance, here it's a website. You want to join, so you need username. For instance, Reza123 email. I have a temporary email, and I'm not gonna give my main email address. So password 3 5 6 7 8 9 10. So just yes, that's it, without giving my main email address. And just with a simple website, we can prevent the diversity of ads we are receiving every day on our email. Maybe you have a new computer. Maybe you have a new laptop. Maybe you have a new Windows and you want to install 3, 4, 5, or 10 softwares. And you know, it takes time. That's not really easy. And you don't want to waste your time. So we have Ninite. Ninite is a website that can help you to do it fast. Okay, let's go to ninite.com, and you can see here we have diversity of softwares which are useful, and maybe we want some of them. And for instance, I want Zoom, Discord, Skype. Actually, they're so useful. Firefox, Opera. I have Edge already and I don't need it now. iTunes, VLC, and I need Dropbox. Actually, Avest, 7-Zip. I want FileZilla, Notepad++, and Visual Studio Code. And actually, just by clicking on these things, I can download just one setup. I can get my Ninite, and you know, you can see I have a setup here. So actually you can see Ninite is installing those softwares that I choose before, and you can see 7-Zip, Avest, and all of them. And now it's downloading, and after that Ninite is going to install all of them. But I don't want to install all of them. Actually, I have those softwares that I need now. Okay, I'm gonna cancel it. Okay, close. And also I have to say, Ninite is always up to date. So you can see FileZilla updated to 3.58.0 Friday at 10:33 p.m. So that's up to date. The last one is so useful for content creators. If you're a content creator, you have to know Canva. Canva.com. It's a website full of graphical things. For instance, if you want to write a resume and you don't have any idea how to write it, you can search here resume template. Okay, and you can see scholarship resume, professional resume, photo resume, for instance, scholarship resume. You can see some beautiful templates. Look at this. You're really perfect, and we have diversity of fields for engineering, I don't know, art, and anything we want. So that's a great thing. And also we can edit it on this website. That's beautiful. Actually, that's really useful. You can edit it on this website and get it really easy. Okay, actually without signing up, you can get that really fast. This is my resume now. And also you can find multiple templates for anything you want. For instance, you have a Black Friday poster for your shop. You can see we have diversity of templates which are so useful for Black Friday, and we can download it really fast and we can edit it, and that's really fantastic.